If you want to get the Apple keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, what you can do is we can go to the Play Store, and then over here we can search for an app that will give us the iPhone-like keyboard. So we're gonna search for Green Apple keyboard. This is the name of the app that we want to get to be able to have this iOS-like keyboard. Let's install it, let's wait for the app to be installed, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So once installed, let's press open. First, we need to press enable in setting. So here we need to tap on the switcher where we have the Green Apple keyboard, tap on it and then press OK. And then once again OK. And now we can go back. Now tap on switch input methods and we want to switch to English US with the Green Apple keyboard text. And then finished. Here we also have some customization options, settings of this Green Apple keyboard, so you can go through this in order to customize the keyboard a little bit. And that should be all. As you can see now we have the keyboard that looks pretty much the same as on iPhone or on any Apple device in fact. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!